So in this question, we're going to have to get rid of the fractions by multiplying every term in this equation by 12, and that's going to get rid of our fractions. And so the lowest common denominator is going to be, in this case, 12. And so the first step will be 12 times the left side as well as 12 times the right side of the equation. And the reason we multiply by 12 is that it's going to get rid of the fractions, because 12, and this is the same as 12 divided by 4, or 12 multiplied by a quarter, and that simplifies to be 3. And on the right-hand side of the equation, it simplifies 12 divided by 3, or 12 over 3, is the same as 4. So we can rewrite this down below now, because this is 3 times w minus 1 and 4 times w plus 2. And so now what we do is expand the brackets, and we multiply 3 times w and 3 times negative 1 on the left hand side, and on the right hand side we're going to do 4 times w and 4 times positive 2. When we do that, we end up with 3w minus 3, and watch your signs, 3 times negative 1, and this is equal to 4w plus 8. So next we're going to subtract 4w from both sides, and what that's going to do is get rid of 4w on the right hand side of the equation. So we're going to get rid of any term with the variable on the one side of the equation. And on the left hand side of the equation, we're going to end up with 3w minus 4w. And when we simplify, 3w subtract 4w is negative w. We still have minus 3, and on the right hand side of the equation we have 8. And next what we're going to do is add 3 to both sides to get rid of the minus 3, and the left hand side will then simplify. Negative 3 plus 3 is 0, and so all we have left is the negative w, and on the right hand side 8 plus 3 is 11. Next we have to get rid of this negative in front of the w, and this is understood to be negative 1w. So what we can do to get rid of the variable, or get rid of any coefficient, is divide by that coefficient, because this is the same as negative 1 times w. So we're going to divide both sides by negative 1, and so then w is equal to negative 11.